how to create an account on OKX Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can create an account on OKX Wallet. Now the process itself is actually pretty simple, so let me guide it through. First things first, you'll need to download the OKX Wallet application. You can simply head into your Play Store or App Store and search in for OKX and download it depending on your device, whether you are on Android or iOS. Then once you install it, you can open it up. You should get an interface somewhat like this. At the page, you can see sign up or login option. You can simply tap on sign up or login. Now here, if you don't have an account, you can see it'll give you a sign up option there. You can tap on sign up, select your country or region here, and once you do so, you want to tap on I agree to policy here. So you want to click on the box there and then tap on next. Once you do so, it'll ask you to confirm your location, your proof of ID and such, and you'll have to go through a process. However, if you just want to log in for now and then do the verification process later, then you can simply tap on sign up or login option, right? And then instead of going through all these sign up option there, you can simply tap on continue with either Google or Telegram, but make sure that your details on your Telegram or Google account matches your details on your verification method, that is your ID card and such. So you want to tap on it and then select the particular account that you wish to use to sign up. Now in my case, I already have an account, so I'll just choose, but it'll send you a verification code. As you can see, you want to enter the verification code and you can go ahead and to login, and once you enter the app, it'll ask you to verify your account. You can later on verify whenever you want. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.